Welcome to Personal Finance Power, your trusted guide to early wealth and smart investing. Want to retire early or never stress about money again? The key is investing early and wisely. In this video, we'll break down 10 powerful investments you can make before your 30s to set yourself up for true financial independence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wealth-building insights. 1. Index funds. Index funds are one of the safest and most beginner-friendly investments. They track the overall market, such as the S&P 500, offering broad diversification. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in the entire economy. Over time, they deliver solid returns with low fees. Starting in your 20s allows compound interest to work in your favor. Even $100 a month can grow into six figures with time. 2. Roth Individual Retirement Account. A Roth Individual Retirement Account allows you to invest after-tax dollars that grow tax-free. When you withdraw in retirement, it's all yours, no taxes. Starting early gives decades of compounding growth. Plus, contributions can be withdrawn anytime, making it flexible. Maxing it out annually builds serious wealth over time. This is one of the smartest retirement tools for young adults. It's not flashy, but it's highly effective. 3. Real estate. Real estate offers cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits. You can invest by owning rental property or through real estate investment trusts with lower entry costs. Buying your first home or rental before 30 can give you a huge edge. Real estate provides leverage. You can control a large asset with a small down payment. It also generates passive income once set up. 4. High-income skills or certifications. Investing in your skills is just as critical as investing in stocks. High-income skills like coding, digital marketing, copywriting, or project management can dramatically increase your earning potential. Certifications in fields like IT, finance, or healthcare can lead to better-paying roles. Income is your greatest wealth-building tool. The higher it is, the more you can invest elsewhere. 5. Starting a side hustle or business. A side hustle can eventually turn into a full-time business. It builds income streams, teaches entrepreneurial skills, and increases your financial flexibility. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, tutoring, or content creation, the earlier you start, the more time you have to grow. Businesses can scale far beyond your job salary. The top 1% often build wealth through ownership, not employment. 6. Stocks and ETFs. Beyond index funds, investing in individual stocks or sector-based exchange-traded funds can offer higher returns if done wisely. Focus on blue-chip companies with a solid track record or emerging sectors like tech or clean energy. Do your research and avoid emotional decisions. These investments require more risk tolerance but can be highly rewarding. 7. Emergency fund. Though not glamorous, an emergency fund is a crucial financial investment. It protects you from debt and keeps you from selling investments during downturns. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This gives you peace of mind and flexibility. It's your financial cushion when life throws surprises. Think of it as the foundation of your entire investment strategy. 8. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. P2P platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. Returns can be higher than traditional banks, but the risk is higher too. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper vet borrowers and offer diversified pools. Start small and diversify your loans to reduce risk. This is a good way to learn about credit risk and lending dynamics. 9. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks pay you regularly just for holding them. These can create a reliable stream of passive income. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or utilities often offer solid dividends. Reinvesting dividends accelerates growth. Over time, this snowballs into significant cash flow. This is a great strategy for building income before and during retirement. 10. Yourself. Mentorship, books, and financial education. Your mindset and knowledge determine how you handle money. The best investment is in yourself. Read books on money management, attend seminars, follow credible financial educators. Get a mentor who has achieved what you want. Financial literacy is your secret weapon. Most people aren't taught how to build wealth, so you must teach yourself. The better you understand money, the more control you'll have over your future. Financial freedom starts with smart investments made early. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you build a clearer path to independence, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical strategies on investing, saving, and securing your future. Start now, your 30s will thank you.